The Dictionary of Science series. The scientific equipment. Microscope.
Hey, I'm Light Leo. I'm a compound light microscope. I shine a light up through very thin specimens to look at them. The light goes up through my lenses to the eyes of the viewer. Because light passes through the specimen, I can see some structures inside cells as well as their outlines.
A light microscope that has more than one lens. That is used to magnify a small object or specimen. Funnel.
Funnel. It is used to transfer liquids or fine-grained materials into containers with small openings. Also used for filtration.
A utensil used to pour small solids or liquids into small-mouthed containers. It is usually made of either plastic or glass.
A glass funnel has a wide mouth and narrow stem. A glass funnel is used when a solution or a solid needs to be added to a flask or a burette without spilling.
Erlenmeyer flask or conical flask.
It possesses a flat base, conical body, and a cylindrical neck. A conical flask is found in different volumes. This glassware is also not for accurate volumetric measurements, but is used to mix contents by swirling without the risk of spillage. One example of its use is during a titration.
A flat-bottomed cone-shaped flask used for mixing and heating liquid. A stopper can be used to seal it.
Conical flask, also known as the Erlenmeyer flask, is a glassware that has a narrow neck that expands towards its base. It is used to hold and mix chemicals. The small neck is to facilitate mixing without spilling.
Liquid dropper. A tube with a rubber bulb on the end that is used to pull liquid into the tube. It is used for transporting small amounts of liquid. Eye wash. Safety equipment that is used to flush the eyes in case something gets into them during a lab experiment.
Accidents can happen at any time, and when they do, you need to have the best protection available. Provides the best face coverage, ensuring the fastest and most effective relief in the industry. Designed with the latest technology in fluid dynamics, Halo provides a superior wash pattern for contaminated face and eyes. In hazardous environments, Halo is the best protection you can provide. When harmful contaminants reach the eye and extend to the outer portions of the face, only Halo can provide the relief needed. With more coverage and superior wash pattern, Halo users experience the most effective contaminant relief in the industry. Halo includes a number of industry-exclusive features that improve performance and ensure the safest and most effective washdown possible.